Hello friends, this is Dipanjan here. Thanks for visiting my channel Digitex Media. Please visit the website, the link is provided in the description below. With the workforce getting remote across the globe, freelancing is becoming a better choice for many. The trend has started taking momentum since 2020 due to the global pandemic. Now, 4 out of 10 people are opting for this profession due to lack of job security and someone who doesn't like the 9 to 5 trend. With the growing number of independent professionals who are interested to develop their portfolio, here are 7 tips for all level of freelancers who want to build their career and thrive the freelancing competition. The first point is you have to find out your expertise and what you want to offer to your client. If you don't know what kind of service you want to offer, you will not be able to start a freelancing business. Clients needs professionals who are having experience on their specific industry. Background knowledge and expertise in a particular subject and experience in working with companies and clients can make you an appealing freelancer. The second point is don't keep low price for your service and always keep it competitive. Keeping the price as low as possible in the beginning to build the client base might be tempting for many freelancers. Actually, you should keep your price competitive based on your expertise. Clients prefer to work with freelancers who are confident about their work and can handle the project efficiently. Pricing yourself too low can hinder the confidence of the potential client in your skill. The third point is you have to showcase your digital presence. The modern world rotates around the digital platforms. The jobs are posted online and even the clients also looking for independent professionals online. Various digital platforms like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and even WordPress blogs make it easy for independent professionals to showcase their portfolio, skills, and expertise to those who are interested in hiring freelancers. YouTube and LinkedIn is specifically very important for freelancers to showcase their skills and establish strong network that provides leads to prospective clients. The fourth point is you should start freelancing through the freelancing platforms. Freelancing is increasing across various industries, and the web-based platforms are helping both freelancers and clients to connect with each other. Upwork and Fiverr are the leading freelancing platforms which gives opportunity to thousands of independent contractors to showcase their skills. But both the platforms are having their own features. In Upwork, you have to create your portfolio, bid for the projects, and reach to the clients. Whereas in Fiverr, you have to create your gig and the client will come back to you with their requirements. Through these platforms, professionals can improve their client base and can experience the benefits of freelancing lifestyle. The fifth point is you should use contract for detailed information. When you win bid and get assigned for the project, the contract you put together can help the job go as smoothly as possible. Smooth communication can help both the freelancer and the client for the successful completion of the project. The contract should include the precise expectation of both sides, hourly rate, and how time will be tracked and reported to the client. Make sure the final copy of the contract fits the needs of both the parties before being signed. The sixth point, always keep a smooth and open communication with your client. Once the project is started, update your client regularly about its progress. Check the guidelines of the contract to know what the time of key updates are. Immediately inform to the client about the challenges you are facing. If the circumstances of the project force you to change the deadline, then discuss it with the client and do the necessary changes on the contract. Always keep the line of communication open. The seventh and the last point, always ask for referrals. Don't be shy to ask for referrals from your clients after the completion of a successful project. Let them know that you want to build a freelancing business and is open for other independent projects. Referral carry more weight since you have already demonstrated your skills to your customers. Ask referrals from your clients. These referrals can go to your portfolio, a website, or your LinkedIn profile, which will help you to build your brand. Securing your first client can be very exciting for you as a freelance professional. Knowing what your client want and delivering them accordingly will help you to build a successful freelance career. It can be overwhelming and confusing in the beginning, but with time, patience, perseverance and hard work, you will be able to overcome it and become successful in freelancing. You can consider these 7 points as building blocks to become an independent professional. So, what are your thoughts about these points? Do you have anything to add? Please mention in the comment section below and like and subscribe my channel for some new and awesome content. Until then, bye bye and take care.